What are HKUST news clippings? HKUST news clippings contains newspaper and magazine articles about the university from 1996 to the present. Only selected newspapers or articles are included in the database. Access to full text is restricted to HKUST members only. Newspaper clippings can be found from the library website. To access, click Databases. Enter HKUST News. Then click HKUST News Clipping Online. To search for news articles on a topic, simply type your search words into the search box. For example, Students' Achievement. Then click Search. Your search results appear. On the search results, you can view the full text in two ways. 1. Click on the headline. Or you can click on the full text available link. Then you will be asked to sign into your ITSC account in order to view the full text. Some articles do not have the full text available. Those are labeled metadata only. If you click on one of these, you will be able to see details about the article, not the article itself. If you want to refine your search, click More Search Options. In this screen, you can refine your search by limiting the search to words in all fields or words in headline. In addition, you can limit your search to a particular newspaper title. For example, The Standard. You can also limit the search result using the publication date. For example, all articles published between 2017 to 2022. You can sort the results by date in descending order, which means most recent at the top, or by ascending order, which means the oldest will appear at the top. Then click Search. An alternative method of search is to use the Browse subject box. Enter a few letters in the text box and click Browse Subject to see subject terms starting with those letters. For example, enter Research to search for subject terms starting with research. Then click Browse Subject. There are 8 subject terms started with research. Choose Research. Your search results appear with all the news articles related to the subject research. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library.